Okay then, here we have a quick video on some footage which Virgin have kindly sent me for help with coursework. So in the background. Start with this one. Right, so this is the tape. It's a Sony DV cam and it has the following on, which is Pendolino trains, Super Voyager trains, the driving cab on board the Pendolino and the Super Voyager, Euston Station and Virgin train stations. As you can see in the back, here's the driving cab footage, and basically all it is just a tape. If you've ever seen a DV cam before, similar to a VHS, just smaller, and obviously you just plug it into a machine in which the big media companies will have, but mine has been converted onto a disc. There's also footage of the Virgin Super Voyager. Obviously it's just different shots around different stations and across the main line, just to provide the media with some footage of the company. What else do we have? Let's have a look. The next one, we'll go for this one. What's in this one? This one's Euston Station, so it's just different clips across Euston. As you can see, as I say, it's just a range of different footage to provide to the media companies for features and things. For example, the different news is. If there's the Virgins in the headline, obviously they're going to need some footage. Super Voyager trains again. I'm not sure you two want to see that one again. There we go. This is the onboard footage. This is obviously the Pendolino.
Can I see your ticket now, please?
Got the onboard shop. Got first class, showing you the breakfasts. And as I say, that's all on this Sony DV cam, which Virgin kindly provided me to help me with my advert project. Skip this a bit. The train manager's office here. I think next is the Super Voyager.